Okay, so now we're just going to do a little bit more redefining, because I did see a couple things that I wasn't too satisfied with. So I'm going to go back in and move around the paint just a little bit. What you'll find with the paintings is sometimes you just got to pause, step back, come back to it after maybe you've had a sandwich or stretched or whatever you need to do, and you're going to see a couple of things that you just want to modify. Maybe soften some edges, maybe blend a little bit more. Like what I'm doing here is I'm actually just blending very softly with a dry brush, a very, very tiny dry brush. And so I can create those more smooth transitions from the dark to the light. But notice how I'm not like totally getting rid of my hard lines. It's because I still want some hard and soft lines. Grabbing some of my Prussian blue again, I'm just going to go back in and really redefine where my darks are with that beautiful, beautiful Prussian blue. I love this deep, rich color. It just is so pretty. Grabbing a dry mop brush, just creating those little smooth feathery edges again. Add a little bit more of that Prussian blue. Just call out the dark areas one more time. And there he is. I hope you enjoyed this painting session, and feel free to pause, paint, revisit any section that you'd like, and then also send me some pictures of your paintings. I would love to see your roosters. Thanks for painting with me.